Motor City Disposal. Welcome to Motor City Disposal, your premier choice for reliable and efficient dumpster rental services in Metro Detroit. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or clearing out clutter, we have the perfect solution. At Motor City Disposal, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to suit any project, big or small. Our process is simple: choose your dumpster size, schedule your delivery, and fill it out at your convenience. We pride ourselves on our timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on track without delays. Our dumpsters are ideal for disposing of construction debris, household junk, and yard waste. We are committed to providing top-notch customer service, with friendly and knowledgeable staff ready to assist you every step of the way. With competitive pricing and no hidden fees, Motor City Disposal is dedicated to making waste management stress-free and affordable. Our eco-friendly practices ensure that we recycle whenever possible, contributing to a cleaner, greener Detroit. Our flexible rental periods mean you can keep the dumpster for as long as you need, allowing you to work at your own pace. Experience the convenience and reliability of Motor City Disposal for your next project. Call us today at 586-842-2750 and let us help you keep your project area clean and organized so you can focus on what matters most. We are here to support you with all your waste disposal needs, making your cleanup process smooth and hassle-free.